Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Kabisyo, nagbabalik. My name is DJ Lala para sa ating programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. At eto na nga po ang ating first stop ng Biyaheng Small Decisions. Para to sa mga taong may goal pero hindi nila masimulan dahil sa katamaran. Naku, wag kang mag-alala. Kasama ako sa bracket na yan. Pero alam nyo, this morning, my love, I saw a video on Facebook about 5 seconds rule that made me do this biyahe today. It's about giving yourself only 5 seconds to decide on the things you need to do. Katulad na lang ng pagising sa umaga, o diba? For some, it's a struggle like me. But because I know na the only time I can get things done ay kapag nagising ako ng maaga, this rule is actually handy. It works like this, my love. Kapag na-remind ka na to do a certain task, start an exercise, clean your room, o kaya naman fix something na nasira long time ago and kailangan mo na talagang gawin, mag-countdown ka from 5 to 1 and just move. Sabihin mo lang, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos gawin mo na. Once you made that decision in your head na magsisimula ka na, trust me, there's no coming back from it. It's like you telling your brain na ito na yon, game na, wala nang atrasan. So if you want to do something and you want to stop yourself from backing out from it, do the 5 seconds rule. Giving yourself the smallest amount of time to procrastinate will make you start moving and will get you progress. Pag nagawa mo to every day, what started as a 5 seconds countdown habit will become a lifestyle. Trust me, my love, I've tried it today and it actually works. Nako, gawin mo na yan, love, then thank me later. Second stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Small Decisions ay para naman sa mga moments sa buhay natin na kung tawagin natin ay buti na lang. Yan, ito yung mga biglaang decision that we chose to stick with in a matter of seconds and it actually works. Love, this is to remind us na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon we have a lot of time to think about things. We have to make certain decisions in the nick of time and stick with it. Sabi nga nila, mahal ko, wala namang right or wrong decision sa buhay as long as you'll be responsible for it and you'll be accountable to it. Kaya may mga taong despite yung downfall nila, nagagawa pa ding mag-prosper is because they know how to climb back up instantly. Hindi na nila hinahayaan na itaunt sila ng pagkakamali nila. Tanggap, bawi, move forward. Yan ang mantra nila. Every second counts. So love, sa katiting na bagay na pagdedesisyonan mo, make the decision yours and own it. Remember, all the small decisions we make over time compound together to make us who we are today. Okay? Kahit ano pa yung pagkakamali mo, it creates the beauty that you are today. Remember that, okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, kung meron pa po kayong kwentong pasok sa ating Biyaheng Small Decisions, all you have to do is send it over to my page, DJ Lala Banderas. Now, before we move forward to more of our diva songs, eto na muna ang paalala ni DJ Lala Banderas. Please, help us stop this pandemic by following the protocols, people. Please, makinig naman tayo. Please, wag nang matigas ang ulo. Please, wag nang magpasaway, okay? Kabisyo, nagbabalik. My name is DJ Lala. Nakakainis yun. Ganda na ng pasok ko eh. Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Eto na nga, last step na ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Small Decisions. At ito ay para naman sa mga madalas na pinag-aawayan ng mga magjowa. Kung saan kakain. Yan. Diba, love? I don't know why it's a constant struggle sa mga nagde-date na alamin kung saan sila kakain. I mean, diba, you guys had been together for quite some time, so siguro naman familiar na kayo sa mga kinakain at hindi kinakain ng partner nyo. It doesn't have to be a war. Just like what we've said earlier sa show natin, diba? Every small decisions, when compound together, creates a big impact. Ganon din sa mga tampuhan or away. Ang mga maliliit na alitan kapag pinagsama-sama becomes a big issue. Kaya hanggat maaari, love, sa maliit na desisyon pa lang sa relationship nyo, like kung saan kayo kakain, kahit papaano ay injekan mo ng konting kaseryosohan. O, diba? Proper preparation and of course, allotment of attention goes a long way to make someone feel happy and valued. After all, that is the love of your life. Every wise decision will be worth it. Okay? Sa mga love natin, if you want to continue ang ating usapan, we can always do that over at my page, DJ Lala Banderas. Kasama niyo pa rin, DJ Lala ng 90.7 Lover Radio, and this is my show. This is Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Tandaan, GV lang. Walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.